Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to log into your FlexJob account step by step. FlexJob is a trusted online job platform that focuses on remote work from home, freelance and flexible job opportunities. All jobs on FlexJob are hand-screened, helping users avoid scams and apply for the legitimate job safely. So first you need to open to your browser on your laptop or the desktop. You need to go to the official FlexJob website. On the top there's a search bar. Type down flexjob.com and enter it. And after that you'll reach into this interface. So in the top, type down FlexJob login, enter it. Over here, you'll find this option. Login to the FlexJob over here. Select this and make sure it is the official of the FlexJob. Also, make sure to enter the email address and password you used when creating your FlexJob account. If available, you can also log in using Apple or Google, depending on how you signed up. And if FlexJob asks for verification, you can complete any security check confirmation email. Once verified, you'll be logged into automatically. And after logging in, you'll be redirected to the FlexJob dashboard. Here you can browse jobs, apply filters, save listings, and manage your profile. And that's how you can log into your FlexJob account easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks for watching. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.